कहते हैं what is a language? Is language a script? Well, Punjabi is written in Gurmukhi, it is written in Devanagari, it is written in Urdu script also. You can write Gujarati in two different scripts. If you write, say, कुछ होता है कि UCHCH, के UCHCH, HOTA, HAI. Is it English? No. So it means script is not English. As a matter of fact, this script is not English. It is Roman, it is Latin. But we don't call English Latin. We call English English, in spite of the fact that the script is Roman. If script is not the language, then is the vocabulary language? तो मैं ये कहूँ, ये हॉल ब्राइट है. Am I speaking English? I have used 4 words. ये hall bright है. Important words are in English. Hall and bright. ये और है क्या है? But am I speaking English? No. I am speaking Hindi or Hindustani or Urdu using 2 words of English. The language is its syntax, grammar. In that grammar you can use any vocabulary and use it, write it in any script. It will remain that language. Language is syntax. And we have borrowed words from all over. Now, I must give that example. You see, it is not only Hindi, Urdu, or Tamil, or Telugu, or Kannada, or... You will be surprised how many languages we speak unknowingly. I had given one example somewhere, I'll repeat it here. मुझे कल रात याद दिलाया अतुल जी ने ही. तुमने चलो ऐसे दोबारा बोलते हैं. And now obviously, I mean, Hindi or Urdu must not be the first language of most of the people who are sitting here. But it's very simple, and anybody who doesn't understand a word can raise his or her hand. I'll tell you the meaning. I'll repeat a paragraph. एक मकान के एक कमरे में एक गोरा चिट्टा आदमी और एक नन्हा मुन्ना बच्चा बाल्टी से नहा के बैठे. बावर्ची ने नाश्ता दिया. नाश्ते में टोस्ट और उड़द की दाल थे. उसके बाद आदमी उठा, चिक हटाई, संदूक खोला, संदूक में से पिस्तौल निकाला, दीवार पे टंगी बंदूक ली और बाहर चला गया. बच्चा बेबस देखता रहा. कोई मुश्किल तो नहीं पड़ी? No what is difficult? Okay. Now we will analyze what we have spoken. एक मकान में, मकान is Arabic. एक कमरा is Italian. एक आदमी again Arabic. गोरा चिट्टा पंजाबी. नन्हा मुन्ना, नन्हा गुजराती. बच्चा पर्शियन. उड़द तमिल. टोस्ट इंग्लिश. चिक टर्किश. संदूक टर्किश. पिस्तौल इंग्लिश. बंदूक टर्किश. दीवार पर्शियन. एंड बेबस संस्कृत. बेबश. Now, how do we decide whether we decide that pluralism is desirable or inevitable? Purity of culture, purity of language, purity of anything is like trying to peel an onion to find the onion. इसे भी निकालो, ढूंढ रहे हैं, वो मिलेगा ही नहीं. ये जो सारे लेयर्स हैं, ये कल्चर का ही हिस्सा है. ये आए हैं और हमने अपनाए हैं और हमारे हो गए. अब हमारा असल में हमारा क्या है, अब ढूंढते चले जाओ. तो हाथ खाली हो जाए. कमाल की बात क्या है, ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी की जो डिक्शनरी छपी है ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी प्रेस की, they boast after every 2 years, we have added 50 words. We have added 75 words. We feel proud. We have taken out 100 words. We move in reverse gear. This is looking for purity, which is a mirage, which is not real. And that is moving against the current. The fact is that we don't take things exactly the way they are. We assemble them and readjust them in our culture, our tradition, our language. I'll tell you, most of us say Hawa. Now, Hawa is a Persian word. मगर हवाएं और हवाओं ये Persian नहीं है. These are our plurals of Hindi. We have taken that word, but we use it in our own way and we have changed it. So, things come, they get mixed with the things which were already there, and slowly they change.